Excel is one of the most powerful tools for managing data and calculations. Whether you're a student or a professional, mastering Excel can make your life easier. Let's dive into the basics of how to use MS Excel step by step. First, open Microsoft Excel on your computer. Once it loads, you'll see a blank spreadsheet ready for you to work with. Let's start by creating your columns. Add headings like name, roll number, or any other relevant titles. You can adjust the font and font size for consistency. Watch closely as I select a common font size for all the headings. You can also change the text color to make it more visually appealing. Simply select the text, choose a color from the toolbar, and apply it. See how it makes the spreadsheet look more organized. Now, fill in your data under each column by clicking on individual cells. Type in names, roll numbers, or whatever information you need. Repeat this for the entire data sheet. Excel has a powerful feature called formulas. To calculate totals, click on the Formulas tab at the top, then select Insert Function. Here you'll find options like sum, average, and more. For example, select sum, click Next, and choose the columns you want to add. Hit Insert, and Excel will calculate the total automatically. Once your data is filled, you can align the text by selecting the rows or columns and using the alignment options under the Home tab. Align text to the left, right, or center to give your sheet a polished look. Need to organize your data? Select the entire sheet, then use the sort and filter tools. You can sort data in ascending or descending order, or apply filters to focus on specific information. Excel isn't just for numbers. Go to the Insert tab and click on Pictures to access stock images. Add professional visuals directly into your sheet. You can also include shapes to highlight key sections. Finally, to share your work, click on the File menu on the left-hand side and choose Share. Copy the link provided and send it to your colleagues, friends, or team members. It's that simple. And that's a quick overview of how to use MS Excel. From creating data sheets to using formulas and even adding visuals, Excel has endless possibilities. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next video. Subscribe now for more tech tips and tricks.